carbon black metallic exterior and ebony interior, Encore trim. EPA 33 mpg highway/25 mpg city. iPod MP3 input, CD player, onboard communication system, satellite radio, turbo, 1SP preferred equipment group, alloy wheels, and more. Key features include heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, backup camera, turbocharged, satellite radio, iPod MP3 input, CD player, onboard communication system, aluminum wheels MP3 player, keyless entry, privacy glass, steering wheel controls, child safety locks. Option packages, 1SP preferred equipment group includes standard equipment. Encore with carbon black metallic exterior and ebony interior features a 4-cylinder engine with 138 horsepower at 4,900 RPMs. Experts report, Edmunds.com's review says at only 168 inches long, it's 10 inches shorter than the compact Honda CR-V. The Buick's petite dimensions pay dividends when it's time to squeeze into undersized parking spaces. Great gas mileage, 33 mpg highway. With WER, we offer a 3/3 warranty on selected pre-owned vehicles, as well as in-house financing. Horsepower calculations based on trim engine configuration. Fuel economy calculations based on original manufacturer data for trim engine configuration. Please confirm the accuracy of the included equipment by calling us prior to purchase.